What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys a big update on Trillium Gold, which will be followed up with a CEO interview. Now, Trillium Gold is a company that we've been working with. I'm really excited to bring this company to you guys and talk about it. They're a really exciting gold exploration company in Red Lake, Ontario, with a market cap of just around $50 million. So in this video, we're also going to be talking about why, I think Trillium Gold is definitely one stock to watch post this election, and why I think it could potentially have much more room to head higher. Last but not least, guys, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, then kindly, I need two quick things, and that first thing is for your support to explode that like button. It helps my videos so very much, along with if you are a new viewer to the channel. You haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you appreciate updates and videos just like this, then kindly cash that subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. And last but not least, this video was sponsored by Trillium Gold, so check the description below for all the full disclosure and details, just to be 100% transparent. So let's get straight into this video, and yeah, we're going to give you guys a full update for Trillium Gold. And the first thing I want to talk about was in fact the share price. And to be honest, guys, we haven't seen too much movement in the share price despite the recent rally in gold. So I'm always trying to figure out, why, or find the stocks that are not getting as much love as they probably should. But in Trillium's case, I really think that that is the case. They have a tremendous portfolio of properties in Red Lake, Ontario. And we're going to be talking about things with their CEO in the next video that we put out. But there was one thing that I wanted to highlight when it comes to market cap versus past performance. Now, past performance doesn't dictate, the future. But here's some words that Russ always stresses, and we'll talk about this in our interview. But, in 2013, gold was about $1,300 per ounce. Trillium Gold owned 50% of Newman Todd, and it had a market cap of $100 million. Today, gold's at $1,900. They own 83.5% of Newman Todd, and they have a market cap of $50 million. They also own 7 more properties in the Red Lake area. So we're trying to figure out where, this disconnect is. And it could simply just be that they're just not getting enough love just yet. So as they start to release more results, drill results, I really do hope that we can see some nice appreciation for this stock, because I personally do believe that it's undervalued. So once again, these videos are never financial advice, guys. But comparing the numbers to the past versus where we're at now, definitely something's off. So let's take a look, let's go over to their website and take a look at some recent news. So poised for growth. Trillium is bringing new mines and modern interpretations to your portfolio to build an exciting story and deliver results. So why Trillium? Proven and skilled leadership team, tight share structure, significant management ownership, flagship asset, the Newman Todd structure in the prolific Red Lake mining district. 55,000 meters drilled with 41% of the drill holes intersecting greater than 10 grams per ton gold grades. So we know that Red Lake is a very high grade area. This is very important. So I want to dive into their recent news that they posted, which I think is very significant. So Trillium Gold mobilizes new drill to Newman Todd and commences major drill campaign. 25 to 30,000 meters of drilling planned across Trillium Gold's advanced and early stage projects. Multiple follow-up holes planned to test additional high priority targets. Geological team has increased to 4 full-time geologists under the leadership of VP of Exploration, Bill Patterson, continuing to explore previously untested structures and geology with attention to optimizing drill direction. So now is their time to shine. Any company can own a bunch of different land packages, but there has to be something in the ground for the company to actually be worth something. So that's what I like about Trillium. The stock hasn't really moved that much. They've got a lot of land, and they're in a really great area. So now is the time for Trillium to start to deliver some value, which is why, their market cap so small compared to other companies. And I think there is a lot of upside potential for Trillium. Now, recently, an article was written on the company, and we're just going to, talk a little bit about this. So this is from onthebid.com. Trillium Gold Mines is an undervalued junior miner with massive catalysts on the horizon. So it's not too long of an article. Feel free to check this out, guys. We're going to highlight a few points. So over the next year, we expect the company to announce several significant developments as it relates to these acquisitions, and believe the market is discounting the growth potential that is associated with the business. Last week, Trillium announced a major milestone and reported to have initiated a major drill program at the Newman Todd property in Red Lake, along with additional early stage projects. For Trillium Gold, this development represents the second phase of drilling at Newman Todd in 2020 and is expected to increase to more than 25,000 meters as new targeting methods show the potential for positive results. So they're talking now about the management team. So one of the reasons we are confident with Trillium Gold is related to the amount of human capital that is associated with the business. The company reported to have increased the number of full-time geologists that work under the leadership of VP of Exploration Bill Patterson. Trillium Gold has 4 geologists on staff, and we consider this to be an important aspect of the story due to the knowledge base of the collective team. So just reiterating that management is very important, and they put strong emphasis on geology and exploration, because at the end of the day, you know, that is very important when you're talking about a gold exploration company. And last but not least, you know, we're going to talk about their last paragraph in this article, an undervalued opportunity with large growth catalyst. So we care about the catalyst. That's what's probably going to move the stock. So let's see what's up here. Trillium Gold announced that the results from the remainder of the Phase 1 drill program has continued to show positive outcomes. Going forward, the company will continue to test various drill orientations in order to develop a comprehensive understanding of the mineralization and structural controls that test the depth potential of Newman Todd. The data that was collected implies that there are several high-priority drill targets on Trillium's gold property. As a result of the findings, the company expects to increase the Phase 1 drill program from 8,000 meters to 25,000 plus meters. We find this to be significant. Trillium Gold also announced that Rodrin Drilling was awarded the contract for the next phase of drilling, which is expected to continue well into 2021. We believe that the company has significant potential catalysts for growth and will continue to closely monitor the story. At current levels, Trillium Gold is trading at a massive discount to its peers, and we consider the valuation to be compelling. Positive data from the drilling program represents the most significant potential growth catalyst, and we believe that Trillium is an opportunity to be aware of. So that goes hand in hand with my thoughts as well for Trillium. I mean, they own some really awesome properties. They're commencing a really big drill program, and this might be, you know, the one exploration stage company to watch for all the reasons that I've just talked about. You know, a low market cap, the company hasn't performed as well as a lot of its peers, yet it's got a lot going for it, and solid management team. So take a closer look at Trillium Gold, guys. Obviously, you know, this video is never financial advice, but I wanted to update you guys, and we will have that interview dropping as well on the channel in the next day or so. So thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Drop some comments below. Let us know what you think about Trillium Gold. We're out of here, guys. Always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. And this video was sponsored by Trillium Gold. Once again, check the description for full disclosure. We're out of here.